I love you, baby. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Who does that? Why can't you sacrifice your own child? Y'all come under the disguise of DSS, this, and that, but y'all really trafficking people's kids, stealing their organs, killed my son, and then have the nerve to spell his name wrong on his gravestone. You know what? I'm going to let God judge. My child's name wrong. My son's name is Jasir Amaris Jaja Vincent. Vincent. Not Benson. Look at a life short-lived. What if I had died at the age of 1 year old? But you know what? God don't like ugly. People think they're untouchable and invincible. I brought some flowers for my son today. These people literally murdered my son in the state of Minnesota, and been trying to cover it up. You know, I carried my son for 9 months, and I had him. He was a healthy baby, a healthy child, an innocent child that ain't do nothing. Anyways, taking this from my son, Shine. Look at these beautiful flowers. So gorgeous.